Solo travel is more than just an adventure. It's a personal revolution. The ability to step into unknown places, make decisions entirely on your own, and move through the world with full independence is a feeling like no other. It's not just about visiting new destinations. It's about self-discovery, confidence, and the freedom to experience life on your own terms. For female travelers, the most important factor beyond adventure is safety. Choosing destinations that offer a welcoming atmosphere, low crime rates, and a strong travel infrastructure can turn a solo trip into an empowering experience rather than one filled with unnecessary worries. That's why we've put together a list of 13 incredible places where solo female travelers can feel secure while embracing the beauty of solo exploration. Each of these destinations offers breathtaking landscapes, cultural depth, and communities that warmly embrace independent women travelers. Botswana is one of Africa's hidden gems when it comes to solo travel, offering vast, untouched landscapes and some of the most spectacular wildlife encounters in the world. At the heart of this adventure lies Maun, the gateway to the world-famous Okavango Delta, where lush wetlands meet roaming herds of elephants, hippos, and big cats. Maun's relaxed atmosphere, warm locales, and well-developed safari infrastructure make it a perfect destination for women traveling alone. The locals are friendly, helpful, and always eager to welcome tourists, creating a peaceful and respectful environment. While occasional catcalling exists, it rarely escalates beyond harmless words. Travelers can easily explore the town, book guided safaris, and venture into nature without concerns about safety. Whether you're drifting through the Delta on a Mokoro boat or witnessing breathtaking sunsets over the African plains, Maun offers an unforgettable solo travel experience filled with adventure and tranquility. If there is one place where solo female travelers can experience absolute security while indulging in luxury, it's Abu Dhabi. The city combines futuristic architecture, pristine beaches, and traditional Arabian culture, offering a balanced mix of adventure and relaxation. Unlike other busy cities, Abu Dhabi maintains a remarkably low crime rate and a reputation for respecting women travelers. Walking along the Corniche, visiting the magnificent Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, and shopping in extravagant malls all come with a feeling of safety and ease. While dressing modestly is recommended as a sign of respect for the local culture, women are free to explore every aspect of the city without restrictions. For travelers with a layover, Etihad Airways offers free hotel stays, making Abu Dhabi an ideal stopover destination. Whether you want to experience world-class cuisine, desert safaris, or unparalleled hospitality, Abu Dhabi ensures a stress-free solo journey with luxury at every turn. Iceland stands as one of the safest places in the world for solo female travelers, offering an environment where crime is almost non-existent and where locals welcome visitors with kindness. The country's breathtaking landscapes, from towering glaciers to steaming hot springs, provide an endless backdrop for adventure. Solo travelers can explore the natural wonders without worrying about safety. Whether hiking past volcanoes, strolling through Reykjavik, or chasing the elusive northern lights. The well-organized public transportation, high-quality accommodations, and strong tourism infrastructure make Iceland an easy country to navigate alone. It's one of the rare places where women can truly embrace the spirit of exploration without concern for harassment or crime. Whether soaking in the iconic Blue Lagoon, trekking across lava fields, or discovering Viking history, Iceland offers freedom unlike anywhere else. Thailand is known as one of the friendliest destinations for travelers, welcoming solo adventurers with open arms. The country's vibrant energy, breathtaking landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine create the perfect atmosphere for exploration. From bustling Bangkok to the serene beaches of Krabi, Thailand presents an irresistible mix of city life and natural beauty. Even deeper into the jungles, Khao Sok National Park offers floating bungalows surrounded by ancient forests, allowing travelers to fully immerse themselves in nature. Locals are exceptionally warm and respectful, ensuring solo female travelers feel at ease no matter where they go. The key to traveling safely in Thailand is sticking to well-known paths and avoiding isolated areas at night. As long as basic precautions are taken, Thailand remains one of the best destinations in Southeast Asia for solo female adventurers looking for both relaxation and excitement. Paris is a city that inspires romance, creativity, and exploration. For solo female travelers, it offers an enchanting escape into art, culture, and history. Strolling down the Champs-Élysées, admiring masterpieces in the Louvre, or sipping coffee in a charming corner cafe allows travelers to soak in Paris's beauty at their own pace. The city's excellent metro system makes it easy to navigate alone, allowing travelers to venture from one district to another effortlessly. While petty theft, such as pickpocketing, can be an issue, staying alert and avoiding crowded tourist areas ensures a safe experience. Solo travelers can embrace Paris by following their intuition, taking time to explore its hidden gems, and moving freely without any pressure to stick to an itinerary. From the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower to the cozy bookshops along the Seine, Paris is a dream destination for independent women travelers. Corfu is a destination that perfectly blends crystal clear waters, historic charm, and a welcoming atmosphere for solo travelers. The island, known for its lush landscapes and idyllic beaches, offers an escape from the busy tourist hotspots of Greece while still providing all the beauty travelers seek. Paleokastritsa's breathtaking coastline provides the perfect backdrop for relaxation, while the local communities embrace visitors with generosity and warmth. Corfu's low crime rate and friendly locals ensure that solo female travelers can navigate the island with ease. Whether swimming in secluded coves, exploring historical sites, or indulging in traditional Greek cuisine. Unlike the chaos of Athens, Corfu presents a peaceful, easygoing experience where women travelers can unwind and take in the beauty of Greece at their own pace. Riga is a destination that offers a rare combination of safety, culture, and affordability, making it perfect for solo female travelers. The city's cobblestone streets, medieval architecture, and thriving art scene create an inviting atmosphere for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. The beauty of Riga lies in its accessibility. Visitors can explore the entire city comfortably on foot, enjoying riverside strolls, charming cafes, and vibrant markets without any safety concerns. Locals are reserved but incredibly helpful, and crime rates remain low, even in the evenings. The city is known for its fascinating history, stunning opera performances, and guided walking tours that showcase hidden corners. Whether visiting art museums, sampling traditional Latvian cuisine, or discovering the beauty of Riga's parks, this Baltic capital provides a stress-free, enriching experience for female travelers looking for a mix of old-world charm and modern comfort. The UK is an excellent destination for solo female travelers due to its strong travel infrastructure, rich cultural diversity, and secure environment. Whether exploring historical cities like London, venturing through the scenic landscapes of Dartmoor, or walking along the breathtaking Pembrokeshire coastline, there is no shortage of experiences in the United Kingdom. Public transport is widely accessible, allowing travelers to navigate the country easily, while the extensive train and bus networks ensure that even remote locations are reachable without complications. The UK's countryside offers numerous hiking trails and castle ruins to explore, while bustling cities provide cultural events, museums, and literary landmarks that can enrich any solo journey. From the welcoming communities of Bristol to the legendary beauty of the Jurassic Coast, the UK provides travelers with unforgettable experiences, where they can feel safe and independent while uncovering the country's historic charm. Belgium is an underrated gem for solo female travelers, offering safety, walkability, and incredible cultural experiences. The country's picturesque towns, medieval castles, and lively markets make it an ideal destination for independent explorers. Bruges, in particular, stands out as one of the most beautiful cities in Europe, with its winding canals, historic buildings, and cozy atmosphere creating the perfect solo retreat. Travelers can indulge in world-famous Belgian chocolates, stroll through vibrant shopping streets, and visit stunning cathedrals, all while feeling completely secure. Belgium's efficient transportation system makes moving between cities effortless, allowing visitors to experience everything from the artistic hub of Ghent to the bustling energy of Antwerp without difficulty. Whether tasting waffles, sipping coffee in scenic squares, or exploring hidden historical sites, Belgium ensures a seamless and safe journey for solo adventurers. Portugal is a destination that offers beauty, adventure, and safety, making it ideal for solo female travelers. From the golden beaches of the Algarve to the colorful streets of Lisbon, Portugal provides diverse landscapes and warm hospitality. English is widely spoken, making communication easy, while the locals are friendly and eager to help visitors navigate their country. Coastal hikes, boat trips, and historic city tours offer endless opportunities for discovery without safety concerns. The Algarve region is famous for its breathtaking cliffs and serene beaches, perfect for peaceful reflection and relaxation. Lisbon's vibrant neighborhoods provide a mix of history and modern excitement, while Porto's riverfront scenery and charming alleyways invite exploration. Whether wandering through old castles, tasting Portuguese pastries, or watching the sunset over the Atlantic, Portugal creates a welcoming environment where solo travelers can feel free and secure. Australia is one of the safest destinations for solo female travelers, offering an incredible mix of modern cities, sprawling landscapes, and outdoor exploration. The country's friendly locals, low crime rates, and strong travel infrastructure make it easy for solo travelers to explore comfortably. Sydney and Melbourne provide lively cultural scenes, while Cairns offers access to the Great Barrier Reef for unforgettable diving experiences. Road trips along coastal highways reveal hidden beaches, wildlife encounters, and scenic national parks that showcase Australia's natural beauty. Travelers can also embark on hiking adventures, taking precautions in areas known for wild animals to ensure a safe experience. With welcoming communities, diverse attractions, and hassle-free transport options, Australia is a dream destination for independent travelers looking to balance urban excitement with nature-filled tranquility. Spain provides the perfect mix of history, culture, and social energy, making it an inviting destination for solo female travelers. The country's colorful architecture, lively plazas, and world-famous cuisine offer an enriching experience that combines exploration and relaxation. Madrid's bustling atmosphere, Granada's Alhambra Palace, and Malaga's coastal beauty provide diverse landscapes to discover. Tapas dining, flamenco performances, and art museums create opportunities for cultural immersion while keeping travel exciting. While pickpocketing is common in tourist-heavy areas, staying alert ensures a smooth and safe experience. The social nature of Spain means travelers can easily meet new people, whether in lively cafes or historic marketplaces. With affordable public transport, scenic landscapes, and welcoming locals, Spain is an ideal solo travel destination where every day feels like an adventure. Germany is one of Europe's best destinations for independent travelers, offering safety, efficiency, and incredible historical sites to explore. From the charming streets of Bonn to the urban energy of Berlin, solo travelers can experience Germany's diversity with ease. Crime rates are low, locals are friendly, and the country's extensive rail network makes navigating between cities simple and stress-free. Travelers can stroll through bustling markets, visit centuries-old castles, and immerse themselves in art museums without worrying about security. Germany's rich cultural heritage ensures that solo explorers always find something exciting to discover, whether wandering through Gothic cathedrals or hiking in the Black Forest. The country's combination of welcoming communities, well-connected transport, and deep history makes it a must-visit for female travelers seeking adventure with peace of mind. Solo travel isn't just about visiting new places. It's about embracing confidence, discovering independence, and immersing yourself in experiences that transform the way you see the world. Each of these destinations offers safety, beauty, and adventure, making them perfect for female travelers looking to explore without worry. Traveling alone allows you to connect with cultures, meet incredible people, and create unforgettable memories on your own terms. Whether you dream of exploring city streets, hiking mountains, or relaxing on quiet beaches, the world is full of opportunities waiting for you to experience them. Where will your next adventure take you? Drop your solo travel destination wishlist in the comments and let's inspire each other to explore with confidence. Subscribe to Go Explore More for expert travel tips, hidden gems, and safety guides designed to help you navigate the world effortlessly. The journey is yours. Are you ready to take it?